Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making a garlic and chive cream cheese dip. So it's real easy to make. What you're going to need is 12 ounces, that's 1.5 packages usually of cream cheese, half a cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of chives, and half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. And if you're using minced garlic like this in here, it'll be a teaspoon of that. So let's get this together and enjoy and see how it all turns out, and I'm sure it'll be good. So here we go. Okay guys, so first thing we're going to do is, well, I got my cream cheese, let it soften up a little bit. You want it softened, and then I cut it up into cubes to kind of make it easier to blend. I found it easier to get things blended that way. So we're gonna put the cream cheese in the bowl. Then we're going to get the blender and blend it. Alright, so that kind of got all crunched in there, so get our spoon here. And push it out. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and put in our half a cup of heavy cream. That should help out a little bit with the thing here. So here we go. Alright, there we go. So we'll just push that down just a little bit. Alright, so we're going to do now, put our 2 tablespoons of chives in here, and our salt, and our 1/8 of a teaspoon of that, and our 2 cloves of minced garlic. Alright, so we're gonna pour it in here. Get it going, mix it up real good. guys, there we go. I'm just gonna scrape the sides. All right, so there we go. All right, let me get me another bowl and I'll put that in and we'll move that over in there so it looks a little better. All right, here we go, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to take it and put it in this little bowl here so it looks a little bit more presentable for when you place it in for your party. All right. Well, there we go, guys. Well, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. While it's sitting, I'm gonna clean up and then we'll do our little taste test and see how it all turned out. So I'll see you guys here in a few minutes. Okay, guys, I am done. I let this sit for a few minutes. So, and here it is. Oh, that looked good. It looks creamy enough to use as a spread as well. So what we're gonna do, and put that cracker here. I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. There we got a nice little spread. Alright, guys, this tastes really good. The garlic and the chives mixed, flavor mixed together, and then you got the creaminess of the heavy cream and the cream cheese. So this is the garlic chive dip, and you can also use it as a spread if you'd like, because it is nice and creamy, and you can use it as both. So nice, rich, creamy texture. Gosh, this will be a hit at any party that you guys have. Alright, guys, well, I hope you guys will take time to comment below, especially if you try this recipe. It'd go good with vegetables, short crackers, chips. if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Give you notifications, and hit that notification bell. You'll get notified each time that I make a video. I make a cooking video like this on Saturdays, and I also do some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. So you'll get notified for those as well. So, alright guys, well, I'll see you in the next video, and I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you later. I'm gonna enjoy this dip a little bit, or spread, and